In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a scheduled post on LinkedIn. This is a handy skill that will help you manage your LinkedIn content more effectively, ensuring your posts say exactly what you want, precisely when you want them to be shared. Whether you're promoting your business or sharing insights relevant to your field, a well-timed and well-crafted post can make all the difference. First things first, let's navigate to linkedin.com. You'll want to log into your account as you usually would, using your email and password. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on your LinkedIn feed. This is your starting point for accessing all LinkedIn features, including your ability to create and manage posts. Next, we'll be focusing on the area where you can begin composing your content. Look for the button labeled Start a Post. It's usually located right at the top of your feed, making it easy to jump into creating new content whenever inspiration strikes. Click on it. Once you've accessed the post creation window, your next step is to locate the option for scheduling your post. Below the window where you type your post, there's a small arrow or option that reads Schedule for Later. Clicking on this allows you to set a time and date for your post to go live, which is handy when you're planning content ahead of time or targeting specific engagement periods. Now, if you're already familiar with scheduling posts and have a few lined up, what you need to do is access all your scheduled posts to find the one you want to edit. For this, click on View All Scheduled Posts. This will open a new section showing all the content you have queued up, complete with their planned release times. Once you're in the View Scheduled Posts section, your goal is to locate the particular post you want to edit. This is usually a list, so you might need to scroll if you have many items scheduled. Now, with the right post in sight, search for an icon represented by 3 dots. These are commonly referred to as settings or more options buttons. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down with various actions you can take. The final step in editing your scheduled post is to select the option titled Edit Post from the drop-down menu. Clicking on this will reopen your original post in the editor, allowing you to make any necessary changes. This could mean updating the text, adding or removing media, or even altering hashtags to better optimize the reach of your message. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully edited a scheduled post on LinkedIn. By mastering this process, you can ensure your LinkedIn presence is both dynamic and perfectly tuned to your audience's expectations. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe for more useful LinkedIn tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.